you all party people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be checking my city after 2 days of severe cyclonic storms. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, if you guys are the old viewers of my channel, I know you guys were waiting for the part 2 of the truth or dare, but because of some editing issues and it not being edited correctly, the whole edit has been effed up and there was no electricity for the past 2 days, so I was unable to restore it. Today we're going to be exploring the after effects of a cyclone, and I am damn sure that the next video that's going to be uploaded on this YouTube channel is going to be the part 2 of the truth or dare. If you guys have not seen the part 1, here is the link. You can click on this and watch it right now, but if you have watched it, enjoy the upcoming vlog. Let's begin. Past 2 days it was continuously heavily raining in the whole of Vasai, and there was a severe cyclonic storm that had hit the coast of Vasai like real hard, and right now it's gonna be seeing what our city looks after it being hit by a cyclone. Let's explore. Okay, well, I can assure you that it was hit by a cyclone because the amount of dirt that has been collected in the whole of my building is just enough to show you guys how bad it had been in the past 2 days. Honestly, it still is like a very, it's not daytime, it's almost like night time, even though it's just like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, in the evening, sorry. And yeah, even the clouds are still there. Maybe it might rain again, I don't know, but before it rains, I'm sure that I want to go out and explore this city. What it looks like. Check this out. The whole of Vasai is just fully covered. Hi dog, what's up? The whole of Vasai has been devastated by yesterday's storm. There's too much of dirt and just dry leaves and all scattered around the city. Let's explore. Honestly guys, this is not the worst that I've seen. Like in 2018 it was flooded, like it was severely flooded, the whole of Vasai, and it was like till my right now I'm like 5 something, 5 foot 5 inches, and till my waist the waters were clogged. There was no drainage system back in 2018. Right now, because sorry about that. Right now, because there are like a hell lot of good drainage systems in Vasai, there is no water clog. Like there is zero amount of water that has been clogged in the past 2 days, even though it was raining 24/7. The whole 2 days it was severely raining, and still there's not a single drop of water that has been accumulated in the whole roads. That's good. Hit pretty deep. Now we can say that it was a perfect cyclonic storm yesterday. Alright, this is too much devastation. Right now, now people are just even dying for getting 1 cylinder of oxygen, and this is the amount of oxygen that we used to get free is being cut down. Yes, this is very good. Awesome to humankind. High five. We have fucked up nature a lot. We need to stop. Very, very privileged to join by my friend Sarah, who did not wanna come at this time. I forced her. You have to. I forced her. I'm like, नीचे आओ फटाफट, हमको जाना है, हमको vlog shoot करना है, content चाहिए जाना है. Yes, Sarah, how do you feel after being in home quarantine for the past 2 days?
वाईफाई था बस.
She like भाड़ में जाए दुनिया. वाईफाई अपने पास. Yes, sorry about that. Family friendly content. Family friendly. Okay, yes. The devastation cost is severe. We can see that. Yes. Yup. The whole area has been cleared in the past 2 days, which is good. At least cyclone did something good in its life. And hell yes. So we are in the rainforests of Vasai. I don't know how we. Oh, there's the spot. Maybe there's like the lightning must have hit it. Tree has been there from the past 15 years, how much I've been here, and no longer it is. I think it might be struck by lightning or something. People are still going from here. It's like a underbridged cave. Let's see another area. Alright, and this is where we call this So we are going to a very obnoxious area and it's filled with water. Sarah doesn't have any mudguard. She is fearing for her clothes, whereas I am fearing for my legs because ये पानी कुछ ज़्यादा ही भर गया. See the amount of destruction right here. We no longer are on our cycles, we are on our boats. This is how we are navigating. Okay, we are navigating in like deep boats kind of a shit. I'll show you guys the front. This is the front view. It's been completely flooded here at only this one point. Sarah, I don't think we should go ahead. No, bitch, come back. Come back. It's not a safer area to go right now. And she still wants to see. Alright. Anyways, we are going in our boat. See. We are on our boats now. We are no longer in our cycles. Navigating back through this. Okay, fuck this. This is so much flooded. Navigating back is gonna be a hell lot of task for us. Pray for us now. And we have another beach. Okay, we are not going any more longer inside because this is very empty. This area is too quiet for us to be. I am recording it, bitch. I'm recording it. Okay, fuck. It's very obnoxious right now. She fucking wants to swim in this. Sarah wants to swim in this shit. Bitch, how are we gonna get home now? Are you fucking on mad, dude? Bitch, wait, don't go there. She wants to go and swim. Like, are you serious? Yes, come back and let's go back. I'm fearing for my life now. No, Sarah, don't go. Titanic background. Titanic background playing. What the fuck is she doing? I swear, I'm swearing a hell lot, I'm cussing a hell lot. Don't watch this video with your parents. Oh my god, my. Oh my god, wee! I'm soaked. Fuck. she's like, oh my god, wee! Stop doing that, you'll wet yourself. What the fuck are you doing, dude? Look at it. We are fucked up right now. Content, act for me. Bitch. You my mom, we're gonna go away. I'm a pass. Fuck you. Just fuck you. Why do you wanna swim in this? You'll die.
I'm gonna die.
Peace out. Okay, I think she's not going to listen to me. We are going a little bit more ahead, and this is too quiet for us to be here right now. Going hell lot of deep inside this shit right now, this waterful shit. Let's explore. I have 0% idea what is exciting her so much. Like, look at her excitement of going inside. And there's like 1 or 2 people sitting in depression. Okay, yeah, so like we are still on our boats. Look at the amount that it's flooded right there. You still want to go inside. We are. Oh, it's a very nice view.
It's greenery.
The greenery out. Okay, this is not green. This is brownery. Oh, this is like a small tropical island. We are giants for it. You wanna get stung by a snake, dude? Okay, are we going back now? Do you still wanna go inside that shit? Good. Sarah being insecure of her own self.
I'm not insecure. I can kill that bitch if I want to, but I don't want to go inside.
Every 2 minutes she's like, bye bitch, and she's leaving me. Look at the amount of water we are riding in. What the fuck? Oh, holy fuck. Holy fuck, okay. What the fuck, dude? I'm dying right here and you're like, that's what you fucking deserve. Thank you very much, Sarah, for giving me too much quality content.
You're welcome.
That's why I call her in my videos, because she's like,
But I'm like if I otherwise not.
yes, give out the fucking damn like to this video if you want more videos with us. Guys, that is what you have to leave in the comments. अगर कुत्ता swim करेगा तो मर जाएगा. नहीं. बुलाना. कहाँ है? She's calling dogs randomly. No dog abuse. पीटा वाले मेरी आके मारना मत.
Oh, these doggies.
There are like 3 dogs and there are 3 dogs in the distance. 1, 2, and 3. And yes, we are going. How are you going to fucking navigate back?
Is you blind?
Yes, yes, I am blind. Again. There are like islands formed. There are like little islands formed in the areas, and it's like just 1 or 2 days if it continues to rain this hard. I'm pretty sure that there is gonna be like water till like right my ankle. Forgive me. Yeah, I can't see the ankle. Yeah, till my ankles. And here is another one. Can you check it out? Like how much is the even like gutters filled till here? Just 1 or 2 days more and it'll just come out of there. Like it's puking everything out. Just like back in 2018. Here's a resulted pic of 2018 floods. Yes, that's that. I think I'm head home again because like it's not very safe to stay out right now because it's still like yeah, the weather is good to be fair enough, but like it's still like indicating that it might rain or maybe like cyclone. Just look at that. So yeah, I'm head home now. Hell lot of windy out here and I'm head home now because I don't know how much long can I survive here with the police roaming around since it's just the end of the cyclone, not the pandemic. Yes. Sarah, how do you honestly feel after roaming out when it was a cyclone just in the morning? She is giving me like the passivist information. Passive. What the fuck? Yeah, true that. Even after this all, we are able to get out, but there are like many people, mostly in Gujarat areas, which are affected a hell lot. Like I was receiving calls at night, like you know, there's a hell lot of wind and stuff. Yeah. It's like the beachy areas were mostly, what do you say, like they were the worst hit, and it's still saying that it might have another cyclone and bang for us. Like it. Yes, we are gonna die in 2021, if not in 2020. Fuck. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys don't roam out like me. I'm a crackhead, she's a crackhead, we both are, but you guys are not. We are just going out to get content and we don't fucking fear our lives. But yeah, I hope you guys don't do the same because we are here, we'll do that, we'll show you whatever's outside. You stay in your home, you grab your popcorn and stuff.
You can watch everything.
Yes, while we just roam out and show you guys whatever is happening around. Next video is definitely the part 2 of the truth or dare because I know it's like you guys are waiting for that. And if you guys have still not seen it, here's the link. Go down below in the description or here's the video right here popping up. You guys can go and check it out right now. And the part 2 will be uploaded soon. So for now, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.